Today I'll be telling you how to change the transmission mount on a 2009 Chevy Impala. First you gotta take the tire off. Then you gotta pick it up with a jack. Then you have to pick up the engine with a jack. Once you got all of that stuff out of the way, you're gonna go back here, and then you're gonna take this and this off. After that, you're gonna have to fold this little flap back, then remove these 4 bolts. Then you've gotta take out the old mount. Right after that, you're gonna screw in 2 screws so that we know it's going in the right direction when we drop it. And then, right after that, we will drop it. All that's left is to screw all the nuts in and then put the tire back on. Then you should be ready to go.